Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about data science, which is very important in present business industry. What is data science? Data science applying advanced scientific tools to existing data to generate new insight. Service chance converting new data insight into changes into the business process. Smart work, more efficient use of staff and resources. What component data science? Approach, process, outcome, example. Performance management define, visualize, open using dashboards and manage to KPI. Meet goal and KPI target. SF scoreboard, published work, set and starter kit. Evaluation, asset a project program or policy program or result better investment of the resource better policy and decision. Evaluation of translations kindergarten of SF. Policy analysis, define and assess alternative use of broad range of tools. Report of memo with policy or program recommendation. Shape of SF policy analysis. Open data. Publish civil data for use by the city and the public. Easier data sharing with reporting new tools or service built on data. Say PC adopt or brain. What component data science evolution? All approaches can lead to service. Important is about choosing the right tool for the right job. What is data science toolkit? Sentiment analysis, time series analysis, mutual modeling, mission data implementation, classification and clustering, survival analysis, pattern recognition, principal component and factor analysis, B-tester, machine learning, propensity score machines, logistic multiples and multiple linear regression technique, forecasting, network analysis. What is the data science SF toolkit? Language, Python, R, SQL, JavaScript, Node library, SciPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, GPTex, OpenLPN, Mohars. Data engineering, prolific, ETL, job notification, API, optimized data, pipelines, optimized data, visualization, D3, D3 graphs, R, Limfit, Power BI, ggplots to Shiny. What in the data science toolkit? Interior prototype for photojournalist and documented service blueprints, process mapping, ride along journey mapping, ethnography, field research, and user observation, usability testing, process mapping. What is not data science? This not this service chains, small chains, users experience, academic research, major overruled and service disruption, collateral new data. Data science project type. Project type find the model of the high category. What to target data science service chart. Service use is different to identify target is in a population. Data science process use experience data and predict modeling to identify target. Service charts engage with the target subset of the population because department result are spent where most needed. Example, free find alarm of the new alarms. Service issue, fire alarms to the home that then data science ID homes with the high performance of no alarm services use leads to shape outreach result to X increase in the hit rate. Example, find the needle in the service issue, data science service change result. New awful fried departments, novel FDI with no increased resource or poor returns. Projective, what to prioritize data science services. Example, bright backing in the new of a service issue data science service change result. Example, prioritize your background service issue. In Boston, they have a large list of the resident with the antisocial complaint free aging them. They entry them the problem data from the housing police and the tax audience to the guiding the nature of the complaints and identify the biggest contributor to compliance. The Air Pollution Control Commissions and expenditure enforced with the biggest contributor. Result with no change to result. Boston saw a 55% reproduction in the policy call assigned with the target residents. Project type. Service issue, data science process and service change. Hard to predict future condition will lead to the reactive service. Use historical and the current data to create estimate range for potential outcome. Use essential to change and tailor invention points. Use of force alert in Carlotti service express force have neg impact on community data science identify pattern to refer early warn service change. Flag current campaign result accurate up 20% false positive down 55%. Example, flag step early service issue data science service change and result. A prototype what from service issue. Costly outreach methods are not tested before implementation. Scientific tested of outreach method to identify which when and to when to ends use statistical validation outreach methods. Example NYA Simon's readiness. Service issue data science service issue result. Optimize your how to distribute data science and service chains. Example service issue data science service chains and the result. Example optimize your research service issue data science service chains and result. What is the service? Fire alarm blinds, early warning, Simon's control, random list, staff evaluation on case, focus of the state of officers, send original forms, arrive at local X too late, prioritize list, tool evaluation, easy case, focus on the set of send new forms and arrive to at the local X early. Find the needs in the hyper priority, your move like staff early, test something, optimize your resources, increase priority tax. When a property sells in SF, we either accept the price to contribute into collect property taxes. So which sales here should be accepted and which should you dig into? Data set. Our regression model identify which sales price are useful for the location, time, and property details are whiches. The model split properties into two lists: normal sales price to enroll directly to the tax collection, outer sales forms. These are the very different aspects of the cells, and if we can manage these things in an effective way, we can solve this data science issue in a professional way. If you have any question regarding data science, you directly can communicate with us. Bye bye and take care.